Welcome home. Scenic lake and bridge view. Extra windows, plantation shutters, light and bright. Open floor plan, seamless flow. Crown molding. Dining room. Plantation shutters throughout the home. Kitchen granite countertops. Plenty of cabinets. Stainless steel appliances. Eat-in kitchen and access to extended lanai. Owner's suite spacious with tile flooring and easy access to lanai. Owner's suite overlooking extended lanai. Owner's bathroom dual sinks and walk-in closet. Owner's bathroom walk-in shower. Bedroom number 2 bedroom, den or media room. Bathroom number 2 shower and tub combo. Bedroom number 3 versatile for home office or bedroom. Laundry area. Extended lanai overlooking lake. Extended lanai backyard oasis, lake view, and Venetian bridge. Extended lanai entertain family and friends. Enjoy the pretty sunrises. Backyard view. Aerial view backyard and lake. Lake, backyard and your new home. Pine Spring floor plan. Amazing amenity center. Landmark clock tower. Beautifully decorated interior town center. Library/game room. Resort style heated pool. Tennis and pickleball center west/gathering area. Heated lap pool. Fitness center. Basketball bocce center west/gathering area. Tot lot. Town center concept. Full service restaurant. Come watch your favorite team. Gas pumps. That New York bagel place. USPS service counter. Unique butterfly gardens. Beautifully landscaped walk, bike, and golf cart paths. Guard-gated community.